Assalamu alaikum viewers. The time comes to learn average velocity and the relative velocity with so simple method and cool short tricks. On my channel, we are on the target to overcome confusing concept in competitive exam MCQs related to physics. For the achievement of this target, we are resolving all topmost MCQs of each of the topic from FSC physics syllabus. In our current video, we'll learn condition-based formulas about relative velocity and the average velocities. To solve the competitive exam MCQs, let's start with understanding of these formulas. First of all, we learn how we can use the conditions of time and distance in these formulas. So the first formula is if a body cover equal distance with different speeds, then the average velocity or average speed can be calculated by the formula V average is equal to 2 V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Here is distance are equal but speeds are different, then you can use this formula. Second, the formula, if the body moves with different speeds in same time, then the V average of the body can be calculated by the formula V1 plus V2 divided by 2. Simply, you can use the average formula by adding the velocities on their number. Third one formula is if the body moves with the uniform velocity V1 in t1 time and V2 in t2 time, then we can calculate the average speed of the body by using the formula V average is equal to S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2, or the formula can be replaced V1 T1 plus V2 T2 divided by T1 plus T2 to calculate the average velocity. Fourth one, condition based formula is if the body covers 1/3 of the distance in V1 and second 1/3 of the distance in V2 and last 1/3 of the distance in V3, means the distance is 1/3 1/3 1/3 and the velocities are different, then the V average is equal to 3V1 V2 V3 divided by V1 V2 plus V2 V3 plus V3 V1. We use the average velocity relation, average speed relation for that body. The first one MCQs is a car traveled the first third of the distance at 10 meters per second, the second 1/3 of the distance in 20 meters per second, and last 1/3 of the distance in 60 meters per second. What will be the average speed of the car? The A option is 20 meters per second. The B option is 40 meters per second. The C option is 18 meters per second. The MCQs is asked in ECAT 2008. The correct option is C. Let's resolve. If we observe the distance of the body and we divide it into the segments A, B, B, C, C, D, then the average speed can be calculated by total distance divided by total time. V average is equal to S divided by 3 plus S divided by 3 plus S divided by 3, S divided by 3 divided by 10 plus S divided by 3 divided by 20 plus S divided by 3 divided by 60, which is the value of the time, and in their ratios give the average velocity. Hence the average velocity of the body is 18 meter per second. The correct option is 18 meter per second. The second MCQs is a motorcycle moving on a highway with a velocity of 120 km per hour pass a car moving with velocity of 90 km per hour with respect to the passengers in the car. What is the relative velocity? The option A is 20 kilometer per hour. The option B is 30 kilometer per hour, and the correct option is B. MCQs is asked in ECAT 2010 competitive exam. C option is 40 kilometer per hour. The D option is 50 kilometer per hour. As we know that the relative velocity or relative speed is equal to VA minus VB. We can use that formula. Here is V of A, replace the value, which is equal to 120 minus 90 is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. The third one MCQs is an aeroplane flies with an average velocity of 450 meter per second towards the north, while another plane flies with a velocity of 500 meter per second towards the south. Calculate the relative velocity of plane A with respect to the plane B. A option is 50 meter per second. The B option is 950 meter per second. The MCQs is asked in competitive exam ECAT 2008. Correct option is B, 950 meter per second. Here is the option B is same as, here is a small mistake. The correct option is also 950 meter per second. The D option is 1050 meter per second. If we calculate the relative velocity, the formula for relative velocity is equal to VA minus VB. By replacing the values, V relative is equal to 450 minus 500. As the second plane speed is opposite to the speed of first plane, it is taken as negative. The answer is 950 meter per second. The fourth one MCQs is a body moves from point P to point Q with a speed of 6 meter per second and then moves from Q to P with a speed of 4 meter per second. Find the average speed of body. The A option is 4 meter per second. The B option is 4.8 meter per second. The C option is 5 meter per second, and the D option is 5.5 meter per second. The MCQs is asked in competitive exam ECAT 2011. The correct option is 4.8 meter per second. B option is correct. Let's resolve. As the average speed or average velocity is equal to 2 V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. If we replace the all values in the given formula, here is 2 into 4 cross 6 divided by 4 plus 6. V average of the body is equal to 4.8 meter per second. These are some competitive exam MCQs of average velocity and relative velocity. With more MCQs and simple tricks, we come back with our next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.